guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in another challenge. This is the Foodie DIY and it's hosted by two channels, DIY with Nadia and the Schwowin Nest. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Sorry if I'm making any mistakes. I will leave the link to both channels in the description box, and also the link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to participate in this challenge. So please visit the channels of the hostesses and watch all the videos and leave some love so we support each other. I have 3 DIYs for you today. The theme is watermelon. So we have to do something that includes watermelon, which is great because it's summer and that's something that for me screams summer. Okay, the first one. I'm trying to hurry up because I don't want to make this video too long. I found this sign that for the doors at the Dollar Tree, and I started decorating it already because it's really easy. I bought this tablecloth, you see here, and I cut a piece that includes watermelon. Sorry, speaking the camera. So I don't know if I can find another one here. You see, I cut one piece of a tablecloth like this one, and I cut it aside. Previously I painted the back side, the back side of the sign in white. I added the word welcome here, and I painted the borders in black with a sharpie. And now I am adhering the image to the front, and I tried using other adhesives, but the plastic tends to kind of shrink or get wrinkled, so the best solution for me was to use this tape. So I already added here a piece here and another piece over here, and I'm going to do the same with the remaining piece of the tablecloth. So as you can see, it's really easy. Let's have another piece of tape here to make sure everything stays in place. And voila, here we have a nice sign for the door if you are having a party. And it's made in just a few minutes. Of course, to transfer the word, I just went... Sorry, I'm lying. I use transfer paper. I don't remember the name. And that's how I transfer the letters here. I first tried writing them, but didn't transfer well. So this is the first DIY. For my second DIY, I bought this garland from Dollar Tree that has these 2 birds and the letters luau. They are adhered to burlap with hot glue, so it was really easy to remove all the letters. I bought 2 garlands, so I ended up having 4 birds, 2 for each garland, and the letters I'll keep in them. I don't know, someday I may use it. And then I printed out with my computer these slices of watermelon, and I glued them to the burlap. Sorry, I ended up using E6000 because I tried some other adhesive and didn't work, so I glued them with E6000, and then I have very easily and very quickly a beautiful garland for the wall with the watermelons. I think they look really pretty and cute and very summery. Okay, now the third one, which is a little bit more elaborate, it will take a little bit more time. I'm making these plates, as you see here. I have these three finished, and I kept them because I want to show you what happens when you try to adhere the plates, the plastic plates, because the red ones are plastic, to the ones, the green ones that are paper plates. First, what I did was to paint some seeds. It's really easy with the sharpie. Like this. I first make them all empty, and then I fill them in. And then I started adding more and more, and as I said, I painted them inside, like so. It's really easy. There is no rules, you don't have to follow a pattern. So this is the final result. And then I have this trimmer in yellow. So this is a part that takes a little bit more time. I need the blue. Here it is. I took a piece of the streamer. No need to measure it. Then you add some glue and start working this. Oops. You have to place the middle of the streamer, the strip, on top of the glue. So you press, so there is part of the green border that still be seen. So you press, and then you start pressing with your finger to make this kind of ruffles. You see, it's really easy. Takes a little bit of time, that's it. You can always move them if they are not exactly where you want them to be, like so. Let's do this part so you get the idea. And then you go all around, adding pieces of the streamer whenever you finish one of the pieces you already cut. You see? So then when you add the plastic plate, you have that border. And then you have to add the plastic plate. And that's when I found the problem. I started trying with different adhesives. All the other things didn't work. They came loose. I tried with double-sided tape, etc. So I didn't want to use E6000 because it's really expensive. So, and takes a lot of glue. So first I use this glue, this school glue, and I spread the glue on the base of the plastic plate, and as you can see, you get all these shadows. So then I tried just adding the glue in the border, but again, there was no way I could add. Even if I added just a little bit, it was visible from the front. So I ended up using glue dots. These glue dots. I bought them on the internet from eBay, but you can get it anywhere. I think Michael's have them, Joann's, etc. So if you look, you can see the glue dot here, the shadow. But I painted a seed on top, and then that's the best thing that I could find to keep the plastic plate in place. They are very, very strong adhesive, so it doesn't come out. You can move it a little bit, but they don't come out. So this is the final product, and I'm really happy because it matches all the other pieces of the core, and I can imagine them on a table with some cupcakes or some other goodies. So I think it's a good addition, and again, easy to make. This is all I have for you today. I hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done it already. Ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. I want to thank so very much to both hostesses for hosting this challenge. Always the same. And please visit their channels. They are amazing. They're very creative. And very nice ladies also. Please watch the videos from the playlist, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.